is all the oil dripping out of this. It is not these two things which I'm removing. Those are dry. And there are two other tubes on each side. These two coming up. And they appear to be fairly dry. All this mess is
gasket there or something.
not that easy to tell. But that is not a fresh drip down there because it would drip all that dirt away. So it's not any of the tubes. It's either at a joint here or a joint here.
There's some little screws that
Huh.
don't have any.
The first time we took a Volkswagen apart, Mr. Couchman just took everything and threw it in one bucket. Parts, nuts, bolts, washers. I said, how are you going to find it? He said, oh, I know where it all goes. And when we put it back together, he'd fish in and find the one he wanted. A chorus and a fine.
And if it's part of a air system over there, if it's something on these.
Well, if this is the only mystery we have, it'll be solvable when we need it. And I'll say, there it is. They're all disconnected here. Eventually, we're going to break these things off. I'm doing all the little stuff first. So I'm going to go ahead and break these. They are not relators. Two big steering tubes, red on the outside, silver on the inside. I thought the wrench had slept. No, the nut came loose.
Wonder if at this point we just take a cloth and plug the hole. Just let it keep going.
A little bit of drip there.
That's not going. The siren is going for the fire trucks.
It's noon.
Oh,
You have to be from here.
yeah. Otherwise you're gonna get called to action. Actually, just lunchtime.
Now there are 4 more little tubes. And where to break them?
Although they look like they're all on that side. Is there anything coming over from it?
All on that side means what?
Oh, they're not part of the deconstruction. They're not coming over to the side that you're breaking apart.
Thank you. I'd have started loosening them.
That tube there, that tube there. Looks like there might be one other tube that goes down to the back for the hydraulics in the back. Or
This guy's loose. So we have 2 tubes off the hydraulic pump. And there's nothing holding them there but the hydraulic pump. They're not screwed into the pump, they're screwed into the platform that the pump is on. And it looks then if we would loosen the hydraulic pump, it would lift off the platform and loosen these. There's 3 nuts there. But those go through the platform. There's nothing we can do from below.
so these two, is that kind of what you're thinking, or?
These 2 and 3 below. And it looks like this will just lift away. Or,
Let's see where the hoses go.
where do they go? Is there something we can undo? It isn't evident how to undo them, as like they're welded in place or something. Although there's an oil drip. Oh, I see. They're welded to their brackets, but I could unbolt the brackets.
My guess is that side drips a lot of oil, the other side keeps it contained, or is it going to pop somewhere?
I'm pretty well unaware of oil dripping, except for the steering oil.
Well, what I mean is there a place where you can do it where it's all a self-contained unit, or is this?
I think lifting the hydraulic pump is, you just let those tubes
Stay on.
hang there and be careful of them. Should be easy enough to lift the hydraulic pump off. On the other hand, if we disconnect them there, then those tubes are hanging there Either way, it almost looks like we're gonna wanna remove the tubes, cause we have to work around this
Mhm.
opened up.
It's probably easier.
Let's
to
do
take
the
this
easy one
off.
first, take the starter out. The starter is bolted right through where the two halves come together here. The wiring is already off it. Appears to just be 3 9/16. Too bad I lost my ratchet.
Here's one.
Maybe it'll work.